Do you guys see this? I am so excited for this. I got this in PR. I literally cannot believe it. When I got the package, I was like, what? This is the YSL advent calendar. Packaging is stunning. It's humongous. It has this like beautiful star, and so when you open it opens up like this. And then I have not opened this yet. I have no idea what's in it. So let's just start opening. I'm so excited. Okay, so one is right here. Oh, cute. They each come individually wrapped. Also, I'm gonna keep this for the rest of my life. We'll have this linked in my bio. Oh, cute. It's a little lipstick. So Rouge Pure Couture. Ooh, it's a nice little nude color, kind of like a warm peachy nude. So here's number 2. Okay, this is the YSL Dessin du Regard waterproof eye pencil. It's just in black. It looks very nice and creamy. Number 3 is up here. Get the Black Opium perfume in number 3. Oh my God, look how cute that is. Black Opium is gorgeous. If you've never smelt it before, I have the full size. It's actually like super sweet, a little bit spicy. Ah, yum. Stuff that I already own, I'm actually gonna save, and I'm gonna be doing a Christmas giveaway. So I'll save that for you guys. Number 4. It's like it's a little lipstick, I think. Lipstick number 12. Look how cute that is. Oh wow, that's like a hot, like coral red. That's super fun. Number 5. Ooh, number 5 looks big. The Slim Velvet Radical Highly Pigmented Velvet Matte Lipstick in the color 21. This looks like a full size. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a full size. Oh, okay, so it's like a really nice, like classic Christmassy red. Number 6 is down here and it looks long. Packaging is sturdy. OMG, this is my husband's one of his favorite colognes from YSL. This is the Y. Oh, why is it so good? Literally so yum. It's kind of like crisp. I don't know, it's just delicious. Okay, so a men's cologne. He'll be very excited about that. Number 7. Number 7 is the Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. Ooh, I saw this on the website and I've really wanted to give it a go. It looks really, really nice. It's just like a night serum. It's got glycolic acid. It's supposed to resurface and energize the skin. Okay, number 8. So number 8 is the Expert Makeup Remover. It's like a little cute little pink bottle. Okay, number 9 is the Intense Color Couture Shine Ultimate Comfort in 1971. So this looks like it's a full size. Ooh, like the packaging. Okay, so this is kind of like a berry, like a berry red, slightly deeper than the other one. Number 10 is another eye makeup remover. I wish that one of them was different because I already have that now. Okay, number 11 is the Rouge Volupte Shine Oil in Stick in the color 121. Oh, I love these. These are so good. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like this like brownie color with little sparkles. That looks gorgeous. Okay, these are my favorite out of their products. I love their Rouge Volupte shines. They're gorgeous, so love that. Okay, number 12 is the Mascara Volume Effect Faux Seals. I haven't tried this one. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, it's nice and fluffy. We like a fluffy wand. Okay, 13 is right here. Tuxedo from YSL. Yeah, that's definitely a man's cologne. It's got kind of like that spicier, like more mature men's scent. Okay, so number 18 is the Rouge Volupte Shine Oil and Stick number 150. I'm so excited because I really do love these, you guys. These are such beautiful products. Ooh, okay. So this looks like it might be a nude. Ooh, yes. It's kind of like a nudie peachy color. That's pretty. I don't know why I keep smelling these, but I'm telling you, these are the best YSL product. I'm obsessed with them. 19 is the Pure Shots Soft Polish Double Essence, so some kind of toner. Number 20, YSL Mon Paris. This is a really beautiful perfume as well. I do own the full size, so I will be saving this one for you guys. Mon Paris is another one that's like kind of sweet, has a little bit of spice. It's got a cute little packaging, so that I will save for you guys for my giveaway. 21. This is the Pure Shots Eye Reboot. This is an eye serum. 22. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's a mirror, but it's like their limited edition, like holiday. That is gorgeous. It's actually really pretty. 23 is the YSL Libre, which I also own. So I will save that for you guys. The packaging is gorgeous. I don't know, it's hard to describe. I really don't know how to describe Libre. I love the Libre Platine. That one's really like one of my favorites. But I will save that for you guys for my Christmas giveaway. Last but not least, 24, and it looks like it's the biggest box. 1966, it looks like it's a lipstick. Looks like that, it's a full size, and again, it is a burgundy, kind of burgundy-ish red color. So that is the YSL Advent Calendar. It's a gorgeous gift. It's very luxury. I mean, I feel like anybody would be happy to receive this. I will probably just use this as Christmas decor every year because it is so pretty and it'd be fun to like hide different things in for my kids. What are your guys' thoughts? Do you guys think it's worth $400, or is this something you would pass on, or is it something you'd be like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love it? Let me know. Bye. Just editing this back and realized I lost a ton of footage. So 14, 15, 16, and 17 I missed. So I don't know which one is which, but one of them was Lash Clash. I love this mascara. It's super good. One of them was the YSL OR Rouge La Creme Essential. It's like I think it's a moisturizer. I don't know, but it's like a little pot moisturizer. So it looks like this. Quite a strong scent. Next was a little lipsticks. This is I don't know what the colors are, but it's kind of like a nice deep red. And last but not least is La Nuit de l'Homme. I don't know how you say this properly, but it's a men's cologne. It's actually one of my husband's favorites, and that's a really good size. That's like a full like travel size. So those are the ones that I was missing. 14, 15, 16, 17. So sorry about that. But yeah. It's such a beautiful box. It's just so pretty.